Hey, that was 1920 Jordan.
Hey, what up, y'all? Hey, we back at it again. We back in the garage, man.
Always,
yes,
man.
sir.
What up?
Wait, we got the man. Sheila said something fell off the truck, man. Hey, yeah. So we gonna get to it, man.
Yeah.
We out here, man. It's a beautiful Friday evening in the Midwest. If y'all don't know, it's hot as hell out here, man. Hey, we might be, yeah, but we out here doing it, man. So Tommy Do about to do an install on Sheila, and we're gonna help him out, guys, doing things. Hopefully we can help y'all out.
Yes, sir.
And here we go. All right, y'all. So we back out here in the garage, man. We got Sheila out here. Sheila looking good, but Sheila was dropping thermoses, drawers, and hats all over the interstate.
I told her trip was fun
Yeah.
until it wasn't.
Okay. Hey, Big Woo caught a flat,
Yeah,
you know.
yeah. I guess it was my turn.
Hey, me and Ghost was rolling, going back, and I kept seeing them drifting back. I didn't know what was going on. Then all of a sudden, I didn't see them no more.
Yeah.
Next thing I know, I got a phone call.
It was crazy.
And Trey had a flat.
Crazy.
And then after we got Trey loaded up and he was good to go, we rode what, maybe 10 miles?
And somebody lost their
Next thing you know, what happened, dude? So,
Man,
yeah. So
rolling down the road.
yeah.
The latch malfunction. I think it wasn't. Actually, I think it wasn't locked.
Okay.
And the wind hit it. It was so windy.
It was windy.
Crazy.
It was,
And it hit it just right, and it popped it up,
yeah.
and it just everything just went flying out.
Yes.
But I'm still convinced that it bent something on the way out.
Yeah,
So,
I definitely believe that because the winds was roughly 50 miles an hour
Yeah, it
or
was-
higher. We were literally riding at a 45-degree angle coming home.
so that means the guys behind was dodging draws,
Yes.
thermoses.
Yes. All I know is we was riding and all of a sudden we hit a bump and this tour pack popped open and I saw stuff go flying.
Fruit Loops and everything.
Yeah.
And I remember looking in the mirror, and all I saw was this.
I was like, oh shit, stop. So I pulled over, told Tommy, hey, your
man.
tour pack.
Boy, that Tulsa trip was something else,
Yeah,
man.
yep. Hey, but they still need to go to Run to the Hills though.
Yes, sir.
They need to go.
That was a good
That's
time.
if you like riding your bike.
Yeah, if you don't like riding.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, but you can still hang out at the Harley shop and
You're gonna go on a trip and not ride your bike. That's what it's
yeah,
about.
you got a good point. Yeah, the Run to the Hills is about riding your bike. I will say
That
that.
was a good time. man.
Yep. So yeah. So what you got in there? What fell off the truck, dude?
Well, I woke up one day and I heard this sound,
Mm-hmm.
and I was like, man, what was that? I went outside,
What you got?
something fell off the truck.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Yep, yes, sir. So I'm at to unbox this, see
Yeah.
what fell off the truck.
Yep.
I got a feeling I know what it is.
Okay. All right. Fell off the truck. So what you got? Dude got the plastic knife. But as Trey will tell you, that knife is sharper than you think.
Careful with the plastic knife.
Okay.
I see.
So we're gonna open it up, see what you got, bro.
What we got here?
See what fell off the truck at your house.
Yeah. That truck's something else.
I'm telling you, man. It's all about coordinating.
Yeah.
And he opened too many Christmas presents because he's
Oh,
struggling.
hey. You all right?
After watching you do what you did.
What's the best university in the world?
YouTube University.
Absolutely. That's one thing I will
right.
agree with you.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. What you got here? Yeah, buddy.
Okay.
Oh, stop before you install this product.
He's stupid.
You guys all know I'm with guys doing things. We don't need that.
That's right. That's right. Who needs that?
These instructions.
That's right.
When you got guys doing
That
things.
man
Yes, sir.
right.
Yes, sir.
Can you do anything better?
Yeah.
Come on, let's be
Come on,
honest.
man. So what are we replacing? We're
We got
replacing.
a latch here. We're gonna replace the latch here. I got a
Okay.
little bit of. Let's show you what's going on here.
Yes.
Okay.
It's locked.
All right. So, as you can see, it's locked.
Yep.
Not supposed to come up.
Yep. Nope.
Well, I think when the situation happened on the way from Tulsa, I think something got bent up a little bit.
Well, hold on. It got bent because it wasn't locked.
Yeah.
Okay.
It actually wasn't locked, and I think when the wind hit
Pull
it,
it open.
pulled it open. I think it went up. But
Okay.
we went to to the ride, run to the hills, and it worked fine. But I think over the time it just wore itself out. But now look, I don't have to unlatch it or turn the key; it just opens up by itself.
Okay. Yeah, that's not what we want.
No, it's not. This is locked. This is locked, man.
Yeah, because as y'all know, y'all hit a bump, that's a problem.
Yep, it's gone. You gonna lose everything.
So
Yep.
we're gonna fix that.
Yep.
Me and guys doing things.
Yes, sir. Okay, so you got it unlocked?
Unlocked now?
Yep. That's what we want. So we're gonna replace that. Then we're gonna replace the latch.
Yes.
That's not. Hey, before that though, I want to show the people what my brother got me, man. Show me what hold on.
What you got up?
Hold on, man. Got a baseball jersey on, man.
Oh, his birthday gift.
Yeah. The guys doing things baseball. You know, I play a lot of softball and baseball coming up. Patch on there.
Spoiled that.
My favorite number.
Gotta get that bunch.
Yes, my favorite
Got
number.
his number on there.
Yeah. That's what we do.
Life is good.
Yeah. And then show them the shirts, man.
Man, been all over the damn
Hey,
That's
place.
where we started. And that ultimate party, oh my God, Hampton, Georgia. Y'all need to come back. We need to come back to Hampton. That's where
Hey,
it all
best
started.
roundup.
Best
today.
roundup ever, Hampton, Georgia.
Come on, Georgia. Y'all need to win it this year.
Yeah.
But yeah, no, I just want to put some
we go to that one.
shirts on.
Yeah.
All right.
You got T20. First, I'm going to go
T20?
ahead
Yep.
and
Take
remove
this
this
out.
right here.
I'll take it.
All right.
Yep.
You got 4 screws right here. Size T20.
With your T20?
Yes, sir. Yeah, might go ahead and get that in there solid.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Loosen that up a little bit.
Yep.
Loosen up all 4 of them.
Until you can get
Yeah.
it to hands.
Yep.
And get them all started. Make sure nothing crazy is going on with any of them.
Yep. You'll eventually be able to do it just with your fingers here in a minute.
Yeah.
All right. Gotta take care of my baby. All right.
Yep.
All right
Got
then.
the old one out.
Yeah.
Quick, simple.
I think I want to go ahead and replace that too. Okay. I think I want to go ahead and replace that too.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and replace that too. All right. Go ahead and slide on over here.
Might as well.
Yeah, I bought it. Gotta be careful. I want to mess up my. Okay,
All right.
he's out of there.
Just like that.
All right.
Hey, we showing the do man he can do this on his own too. So don't believe that you can't do this on your own. That's
Right.
the whole purpose of this, man. Just showing.
Yep.
Me and Woo just got tired of paying people, man. We started figuring shit out on our own.
Yeah.
So you can do it too, man. You gonna make some mistakes, yeah.
Yeah.
And you gonna learn some stuff. So
And
don't be
learn from
scared.
ours.
Yep. You can do this.
When I figured out what was wrong with it, I said, buy new latches. I said, I know we can change these.
Absolutely.
But you know, I call my boys up. Yeah. You know, you guys know I like to get bullied a little bit.
Yeah.
He called us, but we making him do his own work. That's the only way he gonna learn.
Oh,
right.
shit. Yeah, buddy. Got my own screws.
We genuine on this channel.
Yeah.
100%
That's the only way
genuine.
you can be. That's how you should be in life, period.
Yep.
Have a good time. All right, one thing I learned was that when I switched brackets here from the original bracket I had on
Yeah.
here,
This one here.
right here, this right here was a T20, and with Advanblack, you went to 3mm screws instead of them. So we're gonna change those out real quick. 2 different
Yeah.
3mm and a T20. Right here, if I remember right, just curve in.
Yep.
Is that right? Pretty sure that's right.
Yep.
There. Get it started. Get one going here.
Okay.
You don't want to over tighten them. Get them snug. Gotta remember this
Plastic.
plastic. You know, you like Big Wood and Big Monkey grips, tear something up.
Why y'all gotta bring me in, man? Come on,
Some of the Mississippi grips on you.
man.
Oh, right here, you saw me, I put the screws in and attached the
New screws.
screws in, so I put new screws in there. Well, I was working with making sure I get the seal around the nut so everything, when I close the hood,
seal everything.
everything seals up so we ain't get
Won't
no
get wet.
water in there. Because, you know, I'm with guys doing things, you don't know what's going to happen. But it's going to be some rain somewhere.
Hey, it's definitely gonna be some rain.
Yeah.
We definitely gonna hit some rain.
Cause we don't stop.
That's right.
We coming, baby.
All right. Now we're going to replace this right here.
Is that the old one?
This is the old one right here. We're going to put a new one on here.
Where's the old? Oh, you got
That is the old one in his hand.
All right. Good old Advanblack.
Yes, sir. So did you tell your wife it fell off the truck?
I told her it fell off the truck, and hopefully soon some more stuff will fall off the truck.
It will.
We're going there.
Yeah.
There you go.
All right. Stuff we learned.
What I did was I went ahead on the hand tighten I put hand started everything. Now I'm gonna go ahead and tighten it up.
Okay.
3 millimeter. All right.
Should be good.
All right. The keys on here. Lock it. That's
Yeah,
locked.
unlock it. Yeah. Now?
There.
You know what? Some people gonna say you put some blue Loctite on.
Yeah, I didn't do that. I don't know if I should have
Put
done.
no blue Loctite. If starts getting loose,
Yeah,
we can always come
I'll
back.
keep an eye on it.
Yeah.
A little blue lock time, just loosen it up a little bit.
You unlock it? Alright.
All right,
Now let's see if she
All
closed.
right, let's see what
close
we,
it.
let's see what we
You
doing
got it
here.
on there.
Let's see if my drawers will stay in this state. All right, here we go. There. Woo!
Okay.
Look at that.
Yep. Nice.
Boy,
Yeah.
man, look at that.
Lock it and try to open it though.
Yeah,
That's
lock
right.
it.
There we go. Oh yeah, here we go.
Okay.
Yeah.
All
That's
right,
want.
all
what I'm
right.
talking about.
Guys doing things, showing Tommy the way. All right, here we go. I like that.
Yeah.
I know it looks simple to everybody, but I appreciate you fellas.
Yeah, we appreciate you, man.
Yeah, we don't
Hey.
need you another Mo Diesel.
Diesel had all kind of stuff flying on 57. But hey, that's our brother.
I'm sorry, Mo.
Hey, but we're gonna learn from this. Hey, we're gonna see how Tommy does.
Yeah.
We'll come back, revise, and we'll come back and talk about it. If his bolts are loosened up, do we need Loctite or not?
Right.
Right now, we didn't put any Loctite in.
Yep.
Yeah. How hard was that install, Tommy?
No, it was you just gotta take your time. It was really easy.
Okay.
Yeah.
You know?
Yep.
Take it to Harley, it'll cost you $300.
Anyway, there's another install on Sheila.
Yeah.
Many more to come until Tommy, he claimed it. He about to get a new bike.
No,
y'all.
I'm just joking.
New road glide coming.
I'm still enjoying this baby right here.
He's enjoying Sheila.
Yeah, this is the best thing I ever bought.
Yep.
He's-
Hey,
What
true,
you say? We didn't
true
tell you
story.
about what?
Hey, they ain't telling you about them Harleys.
Yeah. Hey, we
They
tell
just riding by smiling and bugs in their mouth, grinning. They just riding by. They didn't say time to go get one.
Hey, we didn't tell them, but now y'all know.
Yeah.
So
That's
if
good.
y'all haven't already, man, hit that subscribe button.
Yes,
and
sir.
Leave a comment. Say Tommy didn't know what the hell he was doing, whatever,
Right.
but he figured it out.
That's right.
It won't hurt his feeling. It definitely won't hurt ours.
No.
Hey, but we steady growing, man. Thank y'all again once
All
again
right.
for 10,000 subscribers. Me and Woo definitely appreciate that.
Definitely appreciate
10,000.
it.
Hey,
Let's do it.
We're on our way, man. Like, comment, subscribe, and until next time, y'all.
Peace.
Yeah.